Good morning, guys! So it is actually the morning.
It is actually the morning.
It's 9:06.
And today we're going on a boat trip.
Boat trip.
I need to get rid of this. We're too busy. I just always and the trick is apparently to get a thick beard is to grow it out and then shave it, grow it out and then shave it. So, but yeah, it's a bit. My beard's a bit not there.
Enough about the beard. We're going on a boat trip.
We're going on a boat trip. Come along. Let's go. We're off. This is their they call it a speedboat, but it's more like a longtail boat, but it's made out of plastic and not wood. Yeah. So this is like the Malaysian jetty longtail. Pregnant lady. Pregnant lady. Right, we've arrived. What did he say? Lake. There's a lake.
Freshwater lake.
Freshwater lake through here in the geoforest.
In the what?
Geoforest Park.
Oh, no.
Dayang Bunting Marble. Probably butchered that pronunciation, but we're gonna go and check it out. That was a fun ride. Like they do go fast,
really good
and he goes like this. And his name's Riz or Raz. His name's is Raz, and he's razzing it. Monkeys on the path. Monkeys on the path. F off.
It's on there.
I'm just chilling in the rocks, but there's a big boy
I know.
in the middle. Where is he? Right here. Oh, his winkle's out.
Oh my god!
Right, so it's an extra £6 to get into it because I think it's technically classed as a national park. But obviously that's fine. It literally costs I think it costs £6, but with our hotel. Klook was £7, so I just went with our hotel because I knew that we'd get a pick up. And then you've got someone to talk to at reception and be like, where are they? There we go. I hope there's not too many steps.
Largest freshwater lake.
We're so tired because we smash out every single day, so kind of grateful this is 4 hours, and it's really nice when it's like boom, boom, boom. Because sometimes you feel on these like full-day tours they drag it out so much just to get some more money out of you. Like you get this complimentary lunch and all this sort of thing. But yeah, this one, no effing about, bam, bam, bam. Get to see all the sights. That's what you want. This is really not helping our phobia of monkeys. They are fucking everywhere. Look at this one on the tree. I'm trying to get some cool pictures. This one's got a baby. Here we are. It's absolutely gorgeous. The only thing I can relate it to is Angfong, really. In other places that we've been, maybe Hanong Bay if it wasn't cold.
No, I think
Angfong's probably the best representation of what we're seeing.
Hey, baby! Oh, lovely. Say cheese! Give us a wave!
They've got hold of a drink. I think a woman give it to them. But they were having it. The big boys. He had it first, and the big boy nicked it off him. He's massive. He is, that monkey. Big dada. I want to try and get a picture of him, because they sip it. The baby just having a wander. Don't know how to climb. Sorry. Savages. Look, I'm on fire now. So you used to be able to go on the island, but they had a tsunami in 2004, so the bridge is broken now, so there's no way to go on the island, but apparently it was just a viewpoint to see the eagles, which would have been quite cool, but a lot of exercise. It's nice just to whiz around and all that kind of thing. Yeah, Bras Basah Island. I'm walking like I'm drunk. Things so wobbly wobbly. Whoosh. But yeah, we've got another hour on this island, hour on the last place, and then we go back. That's it. Short and sweet. I'm getting a bit peckish. So Herb's Garden. You can do all sorts of water sports here. You can do the banana boat. You can do whatever that thing is. You can do it all. Whatever you fancy doing. You can even rent one of these colourful beach huts as well. Yeah. Yeah. But you can just see people just getting pictures of them because they're so aesthetic. Picture, picture. These are the aesthetic beach huts. Beach bar. Probably gonna get a drink. What's your name? What's the one at SpongeBob? You want a Krabby Patty?
SpongeBob.
Yeah, that's what I said. The one at SpongeBob. What's his name though? What's the crab's name?
Mr. Krabs.
Is it? Is this Mr. Crab?
Yeah, but he's the one who's like money, 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 money.
They didn't really think much of it, did they?
And then you've got
But SpongeBob's the one that flips the burgers, isn't he?
Order.
So we're at the beach bar in the shade, and these only cost £4, less than £1. Usual prices in the restaurants. And then I got myself a pack of spicy chicken hula hoops, so or roller coasters as they're called. Like roller coasters. You look like a twit.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at the speedboat coming in. They're absolutely gorgeous.
That is Koh Lipe, Thailand. So close, but yet so far. We haven't been yet.